In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share TradingView chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your chart accessible to others with a simple link without publishing it publicly. Start by opening the chart you want to share. Look toward the top center of the TradingView interface, where you'll see the name of your current chart layout. This name represents the specific set of symbols, drawings, indicators, and settings you're working with. Click that layout name to open its controls. Right next to the layout name, there's a small arrow. Click that arrow to reveal additional options for the layout. This is where the sharing control lives and where you'll manage whether your layout is private or shareable via a direct link. Now, turn sharing on. When you enable sharing, you're allowing anyone with the link to view your chart layout as it currently exists. They'll see your drawings, indicators, and the symbol and time frame you had open when you shared it. This does not publish your analysis to the public idea stream. It simply creates a private, shareable state for that layout. Keep in mind, sharing is link-based. Only people with that URL can access it, and you can disable it at any time by returning to this same menu and turning sharing off. Once sharing is on, go to your browser's address bar and copy the URL you see there. That address now points to your shared layout. If you've made changes, TradingView typically auto-saves them, but the key is that the link in your address bar is the one you want to share. Just highlight it, copy it, and you're ready to distribute. Finally, send the link to your audience. Paste it into a message, email, chat, or wherever your collaborators are. When they click it, they'll be taken directly to your chart in TradingView. They don't need your account details, and you should never share any sensitive personal information. Before enabling sharing, it's a good idea to review text notes or labels on your chart to make sure you're comfortable with what others will see. If someone reports that the link doesn't match what you expected, double-check that you turned sharing on for the correct layout name at the top center. Remember, sharing is tied to the specific layout you enabled. That's it. Click the layout name, use the arrow to open options, turn sharing on, copy the URL, and send the link. Simple, private, and effective.